Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just want to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum and a couple of other coins. There's not so much to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I talked about them yesterday. For Bitcoin, it's been trading at support. So yeah, I would really appreciate if you guys like and subscribed. Other than that, let's get straight into the video. With Bitcoin, I did talk in my last video how we are currently trading at support. It's very strong support here, and if we break below this, the next level is the 40,000, and if we break below that, 36,000. And currently we are a bit below 43,000. Maybe we'll get a wick like these. It's time will tell. However, the reason this is the price target though. The reason why we are at 43,000 is this price target of this rising wedge that has been forming. If I quickly zoom out, since Elon Musk's tweet, we have been in this rising wedge that has just broken bearishly in the last price correction in April, and since we have yet to hit the price target and we have yet to recover into the rising wedge, which hasn't happened. The price target of this rising wedge is at the bottom of the wedge, which is at the 43,000, which has now finally been hit, and this is where we're actually currently testing for some resistance. We also had this descending triangle almost hit the price target, so I guess 40,000 is maybe the next area for us to be hitting to hit this price target of this descending triangle. However, something to take into account if I get rid of the rising wedge. We do have this falling wedge, which actually is a bullish pattern. However, we have broken out of it already bearishly. If you look here, we could probably rearrange this falling wedge so that it's still in the pattern. However, we are now looking more of a barrel channel than a falling wedge anymore, and I don't think this is as valid as the falling wedge that we were making. We have broken down below it. Maybe we'll get a fake out and go back in. If we do get a fake out, go back in and get a retest, the price target of this falling wedge is at the top, which is at the all-time high. But right now, it's not looking that good for Bitcoin. It looks like we are now losing. We could lose this support for Bitcoin, which the next support line will be around this 40,000 mark, which has acted as resistance in the past for us. We couldn't break above it until well, here we broke straight up and we had a massive candle all the way up to 44,000. So 40,000 is the next level of strong support, and if we do break below that, the next level, like I did say in the last video, is about the 37,000 area where Elon Musk bought in. So, and if we do break below that, the 3,000 is the worst, 30,000 is the worst case scenario for this bull market. In the short term, we are looking more likely to go down than up. Okay, Ethereum, there's not so much to talk about other than that we have broken down this key support here, this 3,377 support line that is now broken down bearishly. Currently, it looks like if we're getting a retest of this breaking down and now acting as resistance, we could most likely go to about 3,200 mark, which is the golden ratio from the all-time high to the bottom, the low of February. If we do break below that, or if we do wick down, we should be wicking down to the bottom of this falling wedge, which you've yet to hit, which is the 3,087. If you've seen on my other channel, in my other videos, I've been talking about this level a lot. So yeah, currently, again, Ethereum's not looking that good in the short term. I don't want to be bearish on these projects. In the long term, I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. I'm very bullish on all these coins in the long run. However, in the short run, they are looking more like we're going downwards than we are going upwards. Obviously not for some coins like Cardano. I think we're going up. So Chainlink looking very nice. It's currently trading at the support level and it's getting a bounce off of it. We could get one more retest of this support before going up, making a W pattern to try and retest resistance. If we do break above this channel, I do think that we will be going to $100 quite quickly if we're getting a retest of this channel acting as support. I think it's a very good time to accumulate Chainlink. Still a good time as well with Ethereum. Still a good time to accumulate Ethereum. I'll be accumulating Ethereum at 3,087 a lot there, because that's what I personally been looking at. However, 3,300 is also a very good area, which if you don't want to wait to that level, you can buying now, but if it goes underwater, yeah, so it's the risk that you're taking if it goes below 300. And I just want to quickly say, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm saying just for entertainment. It's just my opinion. And Polkadot quickly, again, it's not looking. It was looking very bullish with the symmetrical triangle playing out. Broke bullishly, but it didn't act as support. Went back into the pattern, which is bearish, and as right now we are fighting the support zone. We could probably readjust so that we have it inside. So it's the these candles, the recent candles inside the symmetrical triangle, like so. And if this is the case, we could get a bounce going back at trying to retest these high, retest some resistance. Query with Cardano. Cardano's looking very good right now. We are retesting a key area, the $2, which is a psychological resistance area, and if we do get a bounce off of this, I do think we could be going to $3 quicker than we all think. One thing I will be doing at this level probably will be accumulating a bit more. But again, with all of these coins, especially with Cardano, if we do break below this $2, we could be retesting the $1.80 mark. And this will probably most likely happen if Bitcoin dumps to 4,000. We'll probably be seeing a lot of coins going back down to these levels. That's where I personally will be looking to accumulate any more Cardano before it going to $3 or $4. I don't really have a lot to say about Binance. It's hard to tell if we were in a symmetrical triangle or a rising wedge. Most likely a rising wedge, and if that's the case, this is the rising wedge. And if that's the case, then price target is about $370. So that looks very bearish as a price target. It could probably hit this if Bitcoin keeps on dumping. It probably will hit this target if Bitcoin does go down to like 30,000 or 36,000. However, I personally still quite bullish on Binance. Binance is a very good project with Binance Smart Chain and everything going on for it. I'm very bullish on it, and I still own some Binance. That's my thoughts on these coins. Other coins that I want to mention, good coins that I think are very strong right now. SXP, fantastic project. Currently making an ascending triangle. I have a price target in the short run of about $9. I think it can go to a lot higher than that in the long run. Short run though, or I say short run, about mid run, like halfway, right, I don't know, in the next couple of months at least, $9 for SXP, so it's a double for 2x from now. And other one is RSR. I think this is a very, this is a very unique coin, and I do think, again, I'll go over it in a separate video, that I do think this coin has a lot of potential to go to new highs and make a lot of gains because it's a fantastic project. But other than that, that's all I wanted to quickly say about this video. I did make it a bit long, this will be quite quick. If you did guys like the video, please like and subscribe, would really appreciate. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.